Aer released the brand new Slim Pack 2 earlier this week, and you've probably seen a number of everyday carry videos about this bag already. But I want to do something a little different in this video. So let's pack it up for a personal item only weekend budget airline trip. First, we'll check out the specs and go over what's new with version 2. Then, we'll jump into a pack with me. But before we get into any of that, thanks to Aer for sending me this bag. If you love this thing as much as I do, be sure to snag one for yourself using the affiliate link in the description, as it helps out the channel. The Aer Slim Pack 2 comes in at 17.5 inches, by 12 inches by 3 inches with a capacity of 12 liters, and the bag weighs 1.8 pounds. It comes in the standard version you see here, as well as an X-Pack version. This version of the bag is made with a 1680D Cordura ballistic nylon and features YKK zippers and Duraflex hardware. The Aer Slim Pack 2 starts at $125 US. So now let's take a quick look at all of the backpack's pockets and features and see what's new compared to version 1 of the bag. First off, the bag is now 12 liters, which is a little more space than the 8.5 liters the original version had. There's a top quick access pocket, which is now made with nylon, where the original version had a soft padded lining, so it's a little bit of a downgrade there. There are now 3 handles on the outside of the bag compared to the 2 on the original version. The bag now has a sternum strap, as well as wider and more padded shoulder straps, which is a big upgrade in my opinion. You'll find a luggage pass-through on the back, so nothing has changed there. And the interior of the bag is going to feature a stretch nylon pocket for your tablet, and a very well-padded laptop sleeve for up to a 16-inch computer, along with stretch nylon pockets for notebooks, pens, and little tech accessories. And I really like this material compared to the old nylon on the original version. The interior is also lighter now, so it's much easier to see everything inside. There is also a zipper pocket with a key leash and a large front pocket, so nothing has changed there. So now that we've checked out the bag, let's take a look at how I'd pack it up for a weekend trip on a budget airline where you can only bring a personal item. Everyone will pack this thing out differently, but this is what I would typically bring, so be sure to envision what you would bring along while watching. So let's start things off with packing up our clothes, and we're going to begin with this t-shirt from Sub Pop, which is a great indie rock record label. Next up is a shirt from Baltimore's finest, Natty Boh Beer. What a great logo. And then we're going to round things off with one long sleeve t-shirt. This is a very old one from American Apparel. Next, I'm going to bring a pair of shorts, which I can lounge in, I can sleep in, and this pair is from Champion. I'll also bring along 3 pairs of socks, as well as 3 pairs of boxer briefs. And then for this trip, since this bag is so small and slim, I'm actually going to bring a packing cube. And this is a packing cube from the Container Store, but this one's really nice because you can compress this down, so all of my clothes will go into here. Next is going to be my toiletries bag, and this is the Global Pouch from Pioneer Carry, my favorite toiletries bag. I'll also bring along my MacBook Pro, since the Aer Slim Pack 2 has a really nice laptop sleeve. Next up are just a couple chargers, one for my laptop, one for my phone. I'm also going to bring along this Seinfeld trivia book, because Seinfeld is my all-time favorite show. And I'll also bring along this little Super Mario 1 and 2 Game & Watch handheld device. This is just really nice to be able to play, especially on a shorter flight for a weekend trip. I'll bring along a Field Notes notebook and pen, and these days I really don't go anywhere without one. I'll also bring along my AirPods, and of course, I can't forget my passport. So that's going to be it for this week's video. What do you think of the brand new Aer Slim Pack 2? Is this something you would take on a trip? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Here's what's on my turntable today.